I have always liked rigid tools. Now, I know that the yellow ones get most of the attention, but the orange ones are very good too. My problem is not with the tools, it's how I store them. Right now, they're over in my storage room, laying on the table. Until today. Welcome to Alley Picked, and today's quick tip. For today's quick tip, let me introduce you to Gator Magnetics. It's a wall hook magnetic mounting system that has some pretty cool features. This company has a lot of cool products, but I'm just going to show you 6 of them today. What's the big deal with these? At first glance, they might look like any other wall hook system, but they're not. These hooks don't just screw into the wall. These are magnetic, but not your typical run-of-the-mill magnets. These use incredibly strong, proprietary, patented magnetic technology. That may sound like a bunch of marketing mumbo-jumbo, but it's actually true. Traditional magnets have north and south poles on opposite sides of the magnet. Gator hooks have both north and south poles in specific patterns on one side of the magnet. This creates many magnetic fields, making these things way stronger than traditional magnets. It's really genius. These things will stick on tool cabinets, refrigerators, stainless steel appliances, washers, dryers, any steel surfaces, and even glass. Okay, not glass. To remove the hooks, you simply lift the front cover and it separates the magnet from the surface. Easy peasy. If you don't have any steel surfaces where you want to put a hook, you can purchase your own metal plates or buy one of these beauties from Gator. When you are mounting these, be sure to put them into studs or at least wall anchors sturdy enough to support the weight you put on them. You can line these plates up on a wall and then finish them off with these nice end caps. All of these parts that I have from Gator Magnetics are very high quality. They're not cheaply made and they're not cheap to buy. But then, who's going to want to hang up their expensive tools on a cheap product? You can put your hooks in any mounting configuration and then reconfigure them in seconds. Now that's really cool. These aren't like suction cups. You're not going to wake up in the morning and find your tools all over the floor. When the Mega Gator says it holds 45 pounds, it's referring to downward strength, not outward strength. For example, these are very strong rare earth magnets. Outwardly, they're very strong, but downward, they slide right off. But the Mega Gator, it holds 45 pounds downward. That's pretty impressive. I weigh about 160 pounds. These 4 Gator magnetic hooks combined hold about 140 pounds. You know what I'm going to do, right?
Get ready, everybody. He's about to do something stupid.
Don't try this at home. Now they did slide a little bit, but they did hold my weight. That's pretty amazing. If I get a new tool or want to reconfigure this, it's so simple. This really solves one big problem that I have. Uh-oh. Looks like I'm gonna need another plate. Gator Magnetics, check it out. And that's today's quick tip.